Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 147. If we start with this box, we're missing 5, 6, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 5, 6, 6 here, so 5, 9, and no help here, 5, 6, 9. For this box, we're missing 2, 3, and 5. We've got the 5 covering these two boxes. So 2, 3, 2, 3. And that means that our 5 has to be here. For this column, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 6 here. So 4, 6. That 6 makes this our 5, 9, 6. For this row now, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got the 5 here, so 7, 5. For this row, we're missing 1, 3, and 8. We've got 1 and 8 here, so this is our 3. I don't see any other help. So 1, 8, 1, 8. For this row, we're missing 1, 5, and 8. We've got 5 and 8 here, so this is our 1. 8 here, so 5, 8. For this column now, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 3, 6. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, and 9. We've got 3 and 9 here, so this is our 1. 9 here, so 3, 9. That 1 makes this our 8, 1. For this box now, we're missing a 5. For this box, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 7, 1. For this bottom row now, we're missing a 2. For this box, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 7, 6. For this column, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 7. For this box now, we're just missing an 8. For this box, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 4, 5. For this top row, we're missing 2 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 2, 9, 2, 9. For this row, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got a 4 here, so 8, 4. For this column, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 4 here, so 6, 4. For this row, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 8. That 3 makes this our 2, 3. That 2 makes this our 9, 2. And for this box now, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 7 here, so 9 and 7. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.